If you've got an exam coming up and you're feeling stressed or unprepared, I've got you covered. Whether it's the night before or a few weeks away, these strategies will help you study smarter, not harder, and walk into your exam with confidence. Let's get started with mindset, because believe it or not, your attitude can be just as important as the studying itself. All right, first things first, your mindset. Approaching an exam with a positive attitude and a calm mind is key. Here's how you do that. Visualize success. Spend 5 to 10 minutes visualizing yourself doing well. Picture yourself calmly answering questions, knowing the material, and feeling good about the exam. This is more than just positive thinking. It's preparing your brain for success. Stay calm positive. Stress can ruin all your hard work. Practice deep breathing for just 2 minutes before studying or even right before the exam. It calms your nerves and gets your brain into the right headspace to focus. Next up is creating a smart study plan. Trust me, cramming everything the night before is a recipe for stress. Here's how to study more efficiently. Break it down. Divide your study material into chunks. Whether it's chapters, topics, or sections, focus on small pieces of information at a time. A little bit every day adds up and keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. The Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This method keeps your focus sharp and prevents burnout. Prioritize weak areas. Don't just study what you're good at. Identify the subjects or topics you struggle with and dedicate more time to those. This ensures you're better prepared for the tough questions. Who else loves using study apps? Comment below your favorite app for planning out your study sessions. All right, here's the biggest mistake most students make. They passively review notes without truly engaging with the material. Active learning is what will set you apart. Teach what you learn. If you can teach the material to someone else, whether it's a friend or just speaking aloud to yourself, you know you've mastered it. Try summarizing concepts in your own words. Use flashcards quizzes. Flashcards are gold for memorization. And here's the trick. Don't just memorize the facts. Quiz yourself on how and why something works. You can also use apps like Quizlet to test yourself on the go. Practice exams. Simulate exam conditions by doing practice questions or full-length tests. This not only helps you get used to the format, but also pinpoints areas where you need to improve. The space you study in has a huge impact on how well you focus. Here are a few things you can do to optimize your environment. Declutter your desk. A messy workspace leads to a messy mind. Clear away everything except for the essentials, your laptop, books, and maybe a notepad. Limit distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and if possible, use a browser blocker to stop you from checking social media or other distractions. Background music. Some people focus better with music, but choose something that doesn't have lyrics, like classical music, lo-fi beats, or nature sounds. There are tons of focus playlists on Spotify. Now let's talk about exam day itself, because how you prepare on the day of the exam is just as important as all the studying you've done. The night before, get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your brain consolidates memory while you sleep, so don't pull an all-nighter. Instead, do a light review, relax, and get some rest. Morning of the exam, eat a healthy breakfast, something with protein and slow-digesting carbs to keep your energy stable. Bring water and a snack like a banana or nuts to stay alert. Read questions carefully. When you start the exam, take a deep breath and read each question carefully. Underline key words, and if you're unsure about a question, skip it and come back to it later. Managing your time is key. All right, here's the bonus tip I promised you. Study with friends, but smartly. Studying with friends can actually help you understand the material from different angles, but make sure your study sessions are focused. Set specific goals like reviewing a chapter or quizzing each other. Who's your go-to study buddy? Tag them in the comments below. To wrap it all up, remember, success on exams comes from consistent effort, active learning, and taking care of your body and mind. Stick to these strategies, and I promise you'll see a difference. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more study hacks and self-improvement tips. Good luck on your exam. You've got this.